How to fix Adobe Flash Player is blocked issue in Google Chrome on Windows. To fix Adobe Flash Player is blocked issue in Google Chrome on Windows, try 1. Check if you installed Adobe Flash Player. If so, remove that unsupported software from your system using the recommended uninstall tool pro in this video guide. 2. Ruffle Flashy Player Emulator at https://ruffle.rs/#downloads. 3. Avant Browser Ultimate Version at http://www.avantbrowser.com/download.aspx?UIL=n. 4. Chrome Flash Edition at https://github.com/chromeflashdev/chrome-flash-edition.